Welcome to CollectivPalooza 2022.
You are amazing.
You guys are literally the best of the best.
You're much more empowered here than you would be at any other place. You see something, you want to make it better, just go do it. Rock and roll.
Thanks for all your hard work showing up here in Chicago. This is fabulous.
Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire and set the night light. This go all alone. I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm diamond. You know I glow up. Hey. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Light it up like dynamite.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. Don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going.
What you want to be, go and you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be, go and you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony.
Well, we always say back home, if Bill don't get them, God, rain's coming, we better close her up, boys.
What happened? Hey, baby, I wanna know if you be my girl.